Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Dart. The Dodge Dart is a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sport. With plenty of space to tote passengers, the Dart is a great value and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, FWD, remote trunk release, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, cloth seats, rear defrost. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.